not my job to set lap times. It's my job to come out here and play. And that's what I'm doing. Good times indeed. Hello everybody, Matt Farah, editor-at-large for Road and Track Performance Car of the Year 2024. Here is a 3-lap review at Thunderhill West of the BMW M2. This is a very exciting car. It is a manual and it is fast. 453 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque, 3,745 pounds. So it has about 30 horsepower, about 30 torque, and about 30 pounds on the Nismo Z. And what is very interesting about this car is that it's quite a bit more expensive. This one is $76,000 as tested. Manual is a no-cost option on this thing, and boy is it fast. It's fast, and it manages its weight really, really well, but there's very little steering feel. It's set up to oversteer, and there is a little bit of that. Second gear hairpin, the slide is no problem. Balancing the slide is no problem. They've got that M dynamic traction control, which I have disabled for funsies. So it turns in, and then you just slide it. Balance is great. Torque band is super wide. I mean, peak torque is like 2,600 RPM. Peak power is like 6,800. So you've got basically a 4,000 RPM power band. It's got so much power, so many places. And the chassis, while firm, is reasonably settled. PS4S tires, as usual, provide good balance of performance and ride, but man, does that thing want to get tail out just about everywhere. If you leave the systems on, it is possible to be smooth. If you turn the systems off, it is still possible to be smooth, but you have to be very, very gentle on the throttle. If you turn everything off and make aggressive moves, then it will do the slidey thing, which, yes, is fun. It's not my job to set lap times. It's my job to come out here and play. And that's what I'm doing. Turn in. Good times indeed. The brakes are adjustable, meaning you've got a comfort and a sport mode. Come on. Could have probably been in second there. And they feel a little strange in comfort. God. Tail happy, just everywhere. It's got so much power and torque, it just really wants to hang the back out all over the place. And you have to drive either around that or into it. Fortunately, BMW has brought us extra tires. The shifter, by BMW standards, is pretty good. Try it once more. Oh, I thought it said please try again. I thought it meant the slide. It thought I wanted something from it. No, thank you, ma'am. I just wanted the slide. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yes. That's brilliant. So, okay. We will do the cool down lap. Shut up! Cancel. 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 It is so unbelievably tail happy, this car. It's great. Okay, we'll cool it down. It is very, very fun to make this thing move around, to catch the back. It's fast. These seats are terrible on the street with the ball cup, but on the track they make total sense because they're holding me in, and my hands are free to just steer. The accuracy of the steering is fantastic. The turn-in is super sharp, but there is not much feel in the steering wheel. It's a good thing that it's so accurate, because on feel alone, you know, I couldn't really catch the slide so well. But it responds well to the inputs. The shifter is very accurate. The clutch is light. I would definitely buy this car in manual rather than the automatic. I had the automatic for the smoking tire, and the manual is where it's at. It is a very engaging, driver-oriented car. It absolutely belongs at Performance Car of the Year. It does feel a bit quicker than the Nismo Z. It's certainly quicker than the Acura Integra Type S, but also it's got more power, a little more weight, and it's more expensive. It is. I don't love what BMWs are doing with their modern cars, but by that standard, this is pretty excellent. So we're going to keep it going. Performance Car of the Year 2024. Keep lapping. Another car, and I'll see you guys with another video from Road and Track Performance Car of the Year 2024 coming soon.